Hello, today I'm going to start a new subject, computer accounting. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install a Tally software in your system or a laptop. And I'm also going to explain how to create a company. So after creation of a company, how to select that company, how to alter company, how to delete company, shut company. All these things we are going to learn in this session. Now first, how to download a Tally software. First go to www.tallysolutions.com website. So after going website, the website will be like this. So now after that click on download. So after clicking download, so one setup file will be downloaded like this. Open that setup file. Open. Yeah, it's asking some permissions. Yes. So now it is a location where it is stored. So it is stored in C drive program files Tally in the Tally ERP install. So it will take some time depending on your net speed, internet speed. So now you have successfully installed Tally ERP9 Series A 6.63 64-bit. So now done. So now I have successfully installed Tally ERP9 in my system. So now see. So the Tally ERP9 icon. So first double click on this Tally ERP9. So here license means we have to purchase it. Generally the real-time business, that means the business who are doing business, they'll use this license, they'll purchase from the Tally. So as we are in work, we are using it for a trial version. It is just educational mode, just for practice. So we have to select education mode. How I am selecting means by arrows also I can go, or directly we can select mouse, we can keep mouse also here. So and one, if you observe one thing here, a under that there is one line, B under that there is one line, I under that one line. So that means directly you can take here. For W it was underline, here was underline. That means uh, uh, below the word, if there is an underline, you have to use alt. So directly you can go alt W, so it will go directly. So what I am showing once again. So double click on Tally ERP9. So we have to select work in education mode. Why? Because we are not purchasing the Tally software, just we are using for education purpose only. We are using for education purpose only. So what is a disadvantage of this means, when you are using working education mode, so you cannot enter all the days. That means in a month 1 to 31 days are there. In that, only first date, second date and 31st day, only these 3 dates you can enter in education mode. Fourth date, fifth date, sixth date, like that we cannot enter in case of education mode. So if you want to enter the all the dates, if you want all these things, so then we have to purchase a license version. Generally the business persons will purchase a license version. So now work in education mode I'm selecting. How can I select? I can select down arrow. So down arrow mark I can select. by clicking down arrow mark I can go to working education mode, or directly I can keep the cursor here, or I told one more way. So the Alt W. So before the letter there is an underline. So Alt A, Alt V, Alt I, Alt C, Alt L, here Alt W. So anyhow you can go. So after coming here, so press enter. So first, so this is called company information screen. We call it as company information screen. So now we have to create a company. So when you are for the first time, when you are entering into a Tally for the first time, you'll get this screen. But from second time, you'll get gateway of Tally screen. I will tell what is the gateway of Tally screen. But when you have installed the Tally for the first time, you'll get this screen. Again, once you created a company, second time when you are opening, so at that time you will not get this screen. You will get gateway of Tally screen. I'll tell you what is the gateway of Tally screen. This is company information screen. So what I want is create company. So here select company, login as a remote user. If you observe here in this, S was in a bold letter. If you observe here in this select company, S was somewhat is thick. In login as a remote user, L is a thick letter. C in create company, C. So if I want to go to create company by using arrow, I can go. By using mouse, I can go. But generally in Tally, don't use mouse. Don't use mouse in Tally. So how can you three ways? One is create company means, so one is by mouse, one is by arrow mark, or see the highlighted word here in create company. C is the highlighted word. So directly if I press C, I can go directly to the create company screen. So directly I went to that create company screen. So once again I'm explaining, see here. So either arrow mark, if I'm selecting arrow mark means after coming to create company, I have to press enter. So otherwise directly if I press C, I can go directly. There is no need of pressing any enter also. I hope you understood. So so I'm going to explain you once again. I'm going to explain from the starting. So if I want to go back, so we have to use escape. Understood? If I want to go back, I have to use escape. So this is Tally ERP name screen. Double click on that. So working education mode. So I am using the arrow marks. So here working education mode, press enter. Now, so again I'm using the arrow mark only. So create company, press enter. So now creating a company. Example, I'm creating a company with the company name is Capital Degree College. Company name itself Capital Degree College. So mailing name also Capital Degree College. If you want to give address is Shapur Nagar, GD Metla. So Shapur Nagar, GD Metla. So country India, state Telangana. Give the details, very simple. So pin code 5,55,000. So contact number, if there is any contact number, you can give fax number, email, website. So if these details are available, you can give. So financial year begins from, when your financial year begins from, books beginning from. So financial year, generally financial year, when you are starting the financial year, at that time only you will maintain the books. But some business person, they will start the business in one day and they will maintain the books from one more other day. For example, I started business on 1st April, but actual business started means I registered my company on 1st April, but actual operation started from 1st September. That means I am maintaining books from 1st September. So generally the both will be same. 1st April 2020 and here also 1st April 2020. Financial year begins from 1st April 2020. That means now we are in 2020-21. So I'm taking here 1st April 2020. So if you want to keep any password, keep this password, but better don't keep this password. So if you forget the password, so you cannot access the data. So don't use this password. User security control. This means if you want to keep a control, example, a manager and a accountant, so both will not have the same access. So manager will have some high level access. He needs some high level access. That means we are giving a control. We are keeping some control to accountant. If accountant know all the matters, it is not a good sign for the company. So some things should be hidden from the accountant. So that means we will give separate user ID for the accountant and separate user ID for the manager. So manager can access all the things. Accountant can use only some limited up to only limited thing only he can access. That is the benefit of use security control. So generally not required no. So currency symbol rupee, formal name INR, suffix means if you want anything, amounts before, if you want RS means you can give. So though I don't want anything, any space between amount and symbol, rupees 100. So in between that, if you want any gap, yes I am, don't change anything as it is, keep as it is like that only. Show amount in millions, not required, as we are following the Indian chat system. So here we don't want millions, we want in rupees only. That means lakhs only. Lakhs, we don't want millions, so we will use lakhs, crores. So number of decimal places. That means after point, how many decimal points? 0.25 point. Here 2 means 0.25, 0.35, 0.56. So if you keep 3 means 0.235, 0.567, 0.8910. So word representing after decimal, that is paisa. What is after point? What it was there? It is paisa. Number of decimal places for amount in words 2. So now here accept, yes or no. For yes means if I press enter also it will accept, or simply yes means y. If I press y also it will accept. If I don't want to accept, no. So directly enter, or one more shortcut key also there. Example here, no backside. Okay, again it came to the screen. So in single step also I can save. Control A, control, if I press control A, automatically it will save. Control A, or step by step. See here, enter, 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 enter. If I want to come down, either arrow mark I can use or enter I can use. And I can use 3 ways for coming down. I can use arrow mark, enter, or tab also I can use. So for going back I can use again arrow, shift to tab. Shift to tab also I can go back. Arrow mark also I can go back, but arrow mark is not suggested. Why? Because when there is multiple option like this, if I press arrow mark, see how it is going. Tamil Nadu is selecting these the different states. So not suggested. So generally if we want to go back, use shift to tab. If you want to come front, so better use enter. For going back, shift to tab. For coming front, next step enter, enter, enter. This is better, right? So control A also you can save, or here also enter, enter also, here also you can save. So this is company creation. So now my company got saved. This is called gateway of Tally screen. If you observe here, name of company, Capital Degree College. So no vouchers entered. Till now I have not entered anything. So that's why it is showing no vouchers entered. So if I want to see, if you observe here, there are some options. F1 select company. F1 below that one line. That means Alt F1. If there are 2 lines means Control F1. For example, F1 below that there are 2 lines. That means we have to use Control. If there are 2 lines below a letter, that means we have to use control. 1 line means we have to use alter. So here alt F3, alt F2, here only F2, alt F1. So either directly you can click on this, directly you can go, or you can by using the keyboard, by using keyboard function also you can go. So 1 second. Yeah. So now here how to select a company. What is the function here? F1. So directly you can use mouse and you can click here, or if you press F1 also you can go. So don't use the mouse, so directly use the keyboard F1. So F1. So F1 select company. So see here how there are many companies in that. So I'm selecting Capital Degree College. So this is the company which I have created, Capital Degree College. So now how to delete company and how to alter company, how to shut company, I'll explain in the next session. Right. Thank you.